Hello friends, we are all used to the fact that a stationary circular saw cuts some straight lines, or along the fibers, or across, or obliquely, at an angle. But these are straight lines, and it would seem, what is the connection between a stationary circular saw, a carriage, and such a round spike on a cylinder? And the connection is very simple, because this operation, to make such a round spike, and then use it, well, for example, on Swedish walls or somewhere else, very easily can be done with the help of a stationary circular saw and a carriage. So, look, here everything is done, in fact, very, very simple. We can make any length of the spike here, and we can make any diameter of it. Well, of course, no more than this diameter. The length of the spike is done in this way, with the help of this retractable stop. We rest the workpiece here, and the length of the spike itself will be this distance. From here, from the stop, from this to this side of the sawtooth, the edge of this sawtooth, this will be the length, and the diameter in this case will be determined by the departure of the saw blade, up or down, and in this way we can create almost any size of the spike. It is extremely important here. The only one thing to do is to fix the carriage, so that it does not move somewhere. This can be done with the most ordinary clamps. That's it. Well, now we just take this workpiece, turn on the circular saw and begin to form this spike. This is how the spike turned out. As you can see, the quality is quite decent, and it is suitable for inserting this spike into the hole. Paste it and everything will be fine. I have already said more than once in my videos that a stationary circular saw is an instrument of almost unlimited possibilities, and a lot of people use these opportunities, literally 5 to 10%. In fact, you can do hundreds of different operations here. Therefore, study the circular saw and invest as much as possible in the circular saw. Make various carriages, various suspensions on it, and the number of techniques you will have will be close to 100, or maybe even more. I hope it was useful for you today. Thank you all for your attention.